Hi, it's Kathy from Raven Vintage. Welcome to day 53 of 100 Days of Envelopes. Just a quick video today. I'm filming the night before ahead of time. I have a busy day tomorrow. So I thought that I would just practice with my wax sealing kit that I got when I was on holidays. This is something new for me. I've never done this before. So I tried it out and I think that I might really enjoy this. So I think I will invest in some, a whole kit. Like this is just like a little sampler kit. And I think I could really enjoy this. Now I colored a couple of them with gold. I just used a Cricut marker. You could use like a Sharpie, I guess. I'm not sure if people use inks, their ink pads. I'll have to look at that, but my thought was just to use the markers. Oh, it was fun. So I just grabbed a little bit of parchment paper and just tried those very quickly. So clearly I need a little practice, but I could see where this is definitely something I'm going to add to my craft repertoire. Okay. So I thought this might be an obvious one, a wax seal on an envelope, of course, but that's okay. Let's decorate this envelope and then we will, what do I want on my envelope? Perhaps this way. And we'll get that in the book and call that a day. As far as adhesive goes, I've read that, like I said, I've never tried this before. Glue dots, or you can actually get wax seal stickers. But I'm going to try a glue dot and see how that works. And I think I'll put one on the bottom as well. Side by side, maybe a couple. These are small. Well, that feels like it's going to work. Okay, I'll just press on that for a second. But I'm impressed with how once these cool down, like that shape is embedded in there. It's pretty neat. I'm impressed. So yeah, I think I have found a new fun thing to do. I guess I didn't really need to decorate the back, but I was going, yes, it fits on this side just fine. Okay, so day 53 is wax seals. Like I said, it had to be part of the 100, so I was waiting to use that kit, and since I need a quick video, that is definitely something that's going in the book. And that was a quick project, but yeah, very cute. I love that. Can't really, I know the lighting's not great. Oh, you can't even see it probably. Let me see if I can zoom you in here. There we go. Terrible lighting, I know. There, it's a tree of life. Okay, well, thank you for joining me for day 53. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.